Ever wondered whether Cafeva cleaning tablets corrode your coffee machine? Yeah, we know what you are thinking. We took apart a $20,000 Shara professional coffee machine to find out. We removed every single part that ever touches cleaning solution from the coffee system and the milk system. Then we took these parts apart. Then we took those parts apart. And then, it couldn't be taken apart anymore. Perfect?
Nice.
Next, we prepare 2 containers of water at 80 degrees Celsius. In container 1, we dissolved Cafeva espresso machine cleaning tablets. It took about 3 minutes to fully dissolve. Then we placed all coffee system parts into the solution. In container 2, we did the same with Cafeva milk system cleaning tablets and soaked all milk system components. 1 day of soaking equals about 96 real cleanings. We placed both containers in an 80 degrees Celsius oven and kept them there for 7 days. Every 24 hours, we replaced the cleaning solution with a fresh batch. After 7 days of continuous soaking, equal to 672 times full automatic cleaning, this is what we found. No corrosion, no discoloration, no damage. Just a spotless, shiny, perfectly happy pot. Finally, we move on to mechanical performance tests. First, foamer sealing ring, almost no change, material stayed stable. Second, coffee outlet tube, no deformation, material stayed stable. Third, milk pump sealing ring, almost no change, no weakening. And test after test, the result stays the same. Cafeva keeps everything safe, clean, and running great.